Hi, I'm Linia, and now I will show you how this machine will work. Firstly, you should prepare the cable and then insert in. With built-in crimping force monitoring here and the color recognition stripping detection function, it can realize high crimping accuracy. It can process wire from 0.2 to 2.5 millimeters. The cycle time is 3 seconds. Capacity of this machine is from 1,000 to 1,200 pieces per hour. And the crimping force is 25 kilonewtons. If you need to automate your wire harness production, you can contact me for more info. And here is my WhatsApp and email.